Sleep, a vital ingredient for a healthy pregnancy. A time when your body rejuvenates, repairs, and prepares for the miracle growing within. But what if this essential rest becomes elusive, leaving you weary and drained? Welcome to the Paba Pobo channel, your ultimate guide for a comfortable pregnancy journey. As a leading maternity pillow manufacturer, we're dedicated to providing expert tips for expectant mothers worldwide. Let's explore the secrets to a restful sleep during pregnancy. One of the key factors to ensure a restful night's sleep is to understand the importance of the SOS position. Sleeping on your side, particularly the left side, has been recommended by experts for its exceptional benefits. Did you know that this position promotes optimal blood flow to the placenta, providing your little one with the essential nutrients they need for healthy development? As your journey progresses, accommodating your growing bump can become a challenge. This is where the significance of side sleeping truly shines. By alleviating pressure on your back and internal organs, it reduces the likelihood of uncomfortable swelling, varicose veins, and hemorrhoids. Who knew a simple adjustment could have such profound effects on your overall comfort? But how can you make side sleeping even more comfortable? The secret lies in the art of pillow placement. By keeping your legs and knees bent and adding a pillow for extra support, you can effectively relieve stress on your back and enhance your sleep quality. Have you ever tried these configurations before? Furthermore, if you find yourself grappling with heartburn or shortness of breath, consider propping your upper body with pillows for added relief. Remember, your comfort is key to a peaceful night's sleep. But what about those who are accustomed to sleeping on their stomach? We'll uncover some interesting solutions for that too. While stomach sleeping is acceptable in the early stages, as your baby bump grows, it might become quite the challenge. However, fear not. There are specialized donut-shaped pillows designed to provide that much-needed comfort and support, allowing you to find peace even as your body undergoes significant changes. Discovering the perfect sleep position isn't just about comfort, it's about nurturing your well-being and your baby's development. Let's explore more tips on finding that ideal balance between comfort and safety during this miraculous phase of your life. Now that we understand the importance of safe sleep positions, let's uncover some practical tips to help you find that perfect, comfortable sleeping position during your pregnancy journey. Are you ready to enhance your sleep quality and wake up refreshed each morning? First things first, let's talk about the power of pillows. Utilizing multiple pillows strategically can make a world of difference. Ever tried the pillow between the legs technique? Or perhaps the pillow behind the back method? These simple adjustments can work wonders in relieving pressure and ensuring a more restful slumber. If pillows alone don't seem to cut it, have you considered investing in a specialized pregnancy pillow? These full-body pillows are designed to provide comprehensive support, catering specifically to the needs of expectant mothers. Let's explore how these pillows can transform your sleep experience. But what if you find it difficult to find that sweet spot even with pillows? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Experimenting with the semi-upright position using a recliner or adjusting the bed's incline might just be the solution you've been searching for. Have you ever tried altering your sleeping position in this way? Remember, the journey to finding your ideal sleep position is all about trial and error. Each pregnancy is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Let's explore more valuable insights to help you achieve that elusive, peaceful slumber you deserve. Let's address some common hurdles that pregnant women often encounter when trying to get a good night's sleep. Managing stress through relaxation techniques can significantly improve sleep quality. Additionally, maintaining a balanced diet and staying hydrated play a crucial role in promoting better sleep during pregnancy. Now, have you considered how your diet might be impacting your sleep? Well, the foods you consume and your hydration levels can indeed significantly influence your sleep quality. Creating a soothing sleep environment by adjusting lighting and minimizing external disturbances can also contribute to a more restful sleep. Furthermore, incorporating light exercises into your daily routine can enhance overall sleep quality. By exploring pregnancy-friendly exercises, you can ensure a more rejuvenating sleep experience. We've covered a lot about ensuring a comfortable and restful sleep during pregnancy. Remember, your well-being is paramount for a healthy journey. Be sure to apply these strategies to optimize your sleep quality. For more expert guidance and tips, don't forget to subscribe to the Paba Pobo channel. Stay tuned for more valuable insights tailored for the beautiful experience of pregnancy.